Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the index match function with multiple criteria in the column. So the index match function is a function that combines the index function and two match functions. It allows us to match the row and column of a table array and return a value based on the match. So usually we only match one criteria in the row and one criteria in the column. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to deal with multiple criteria in the columns when we do the match function. So here's the list of the states and the list of the teams and the years and the money that they spent on salary in these years. So let's look at the task. Fill in below number using number in the data tab. So what we want to do here is we want to fill in this empty cells. But as we can see, we have multiple states have the same team names, right? So what we want to do here is we want to include both state and team's name in the match function when we're writing the formulas. So let's start it out by doing the index function. So we can do equal index function. So for the array, we can go back to the data and select all the data that we want and go to data. So for the row number, since we're looking up the name, the year, so we want to use the match function. And for lookup value, we can just select the year and go to column A, so it doesn't change, comma. So for lookup array, we'll just go back to the year, to the data, and select all the year that we want to include, and go to year, comma. So for match type, we'll just press 0, so the formula will find the exact match. Close parenthesis, comma. So for the column number, we want to include both states and teams. So what we want to do here is we want to do match, and then for the lookup value, we want to select the state, and then we want to anchor the row so it doesn't shift, and then we do n, and then we select the team name, and then we also anchor the row so it doesn't shift. For lookup array, we want to go back to the data and first select the states, and then anchor the states, and then we do n, and then we select the team, and then we anchor the team, comma. So for the match type, when we want to use 0 because we want the formula to find the exact match. So press 0, close parenthesis again, and instead of just pressing 0, what we want to do here is we want to do Control Shift Enter. Now we can drag it down and then drag it across, and we can see all the salary information by all these teams in all these years. So let's do a quick check. So let's check this Wisconsin Cardinal salary in the 2021. So let's go back to data and let's find the Wisconsin Cardinal. So in 2021, they spent $84.7 million on salary, which matches the answer that we have here, $84.7 million. Alright, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.